Welcome to Travel on TV. I'm your host, Ron Nielsen. Today we're going to visit the port city in southeastern Spain named Alicante. Alicante is located on the Costa Blanca. It's the capital of the region and offers a great mix of historical sites, shopping, and beachfront fun. You will spend your mornings exploring museums and medieval churches, and your afternoons swimming in the clear waters or taking a nice siesta under a beachfront parasol. The tram network in the city makes getting around super easy, so there's really no excuse to not see all the great leisure and historical attractions. Here are the must-see of Alicante, Spain. Number 1, Godless. Godless is a rural village overlooking a breathtaking valley. It is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Alicante. Godless Village, also known as the Eagle's Nest, as the village is perched atop a mountain. On your drive to Godless, you will see incredible views of the Green Valley and the many stunning mountains in the background. Godless is famous for two areas. First, the Godless Castle. The castle at Godless was built by the Moors over 1,300 years ago. In 1609, King Felipe III ordered all the Moors to be expelled, which led to a huge uprising, after which the Moors were defeated and left Spain altogether. The other famous area is the Old Village. The village is reached through a 15-foot tunnel under the mountain, known as the Portal de San Jose. Above the village is a tower. The tower rises high above the village, and you can see the entire valley from it. Number 2, the Castillo de Santa Barbara. The castle is located on the top of Benacantil Mountain at about 166 miles above sea level. From the castle you can see almost the entire Bay of Alicante. The castle was originally a 9th century Islamic fortress, but was captured from the Moors by the Christian prince Alfonso of Castillo. The victorious battle was on the feast day of Santa Barbara, explaining the castle's name. Number 3, San Juan Beach. San Juan Beach in Alicante is a huge beach with almost 4 miles of white crystal clear sand. The atmosphere here is very relaxed. It is the top beach of Alicante due to its clear water and safe beach. Just behind the beach are restaurants, bars, and even an 18-hole golf course. So there's plenty to do around the beach. Number 4, Old Town Alicante, also known as El Barrio. Built beneath the Castillo de Santa Barbara, and located in the eastern part of Alicante. The Old Town, you'll find the bulk of the city's culture and tourist stops. Alicante's San Nicholas Cathedral. The cathedral was built from 1613 to 1662 in Hungarian Renaissance style. It was built on the remains of a mosque, which was typical in that day. The highlight of the cathedral is its blue dome. The Town Hall. The Town Hall is the standout building of the barrio, with its 2 large towers. Visit inside and make sure you see the Salon Azul, which translates to the Blue Room. The Basilica of Santa Maria. The Basilica is the oldest and prettiest church in the city. It was built between the 14th and 16th centuries. It was built in the Valencian Gothic style. The main front is noteworthy, with a beautiful image of the Virgin Mary. Number 5. Explanada de España. This is a great place to take a nice leisure walk and people watch. The trademark of the Explanada de España is the marble-laden promenade. It was constructed from 6.5 million mosaic tiles. Here, vendors line the tiled walkways selling drinks, snacks, and souvenirs. And in the evening, the area glows from the lighting throughout the area. Number 6. Las Hogueras de San Juan. If you're visiting from June 20th through the 29th, you must celebrate the Hogueras de San Juan, translated as the Bonfires of St. John. While this event is celebrated all over Spain, nowhere is the celebration bigger than in Alicante. I guarantee Alicante will have the biggest and baddest bonfires in the country. The main event is when large, funny statues get set on fire. Number 7. Palmeral del Elche. The Palmeral del Elche is a grove of date palms. The city of Elche was founded by the Muslims towards the end of the 10th century, when most of the Iberian Peninsula was Arab. The palm groves peaked in the 18th century, when it had over 200,000 specimens. Number 8. The Provincial Archaeology Museum. This is the best place to go to know more about Alicante's history, geography, and the arts. In the museum, you can travel to the prehistoric era, Iberian, and Roman rule, and take a trip through the Middle Age of Spain. Thanks for watching our little tour through Alicante. A reminder about traveling to Spain. Lunch starts late, beginning at about 2, and is the biggest meal of the day. Dinner there is for light snacks or tapas at a bar, so plan your day accordingly. I know you'll really enjoy Alicante. And we'll see you next time at Travel on TV.